So here we are again. This is the second video. The first video was uploaded somewhere in January. So hari tu kami nak mula PC, tapi tu bukan tutorial mula PC lah. Tu basically just me wanting to build a PC for myself. Kami dah start beli barang komputer tu dalam bulan 10 hari atik. Pola PC tu bukannya murah, especially if mau pola PC untuk gaming and also multi-purpose, mostly like work PC and also gaming PC all in one combo. It would take a bit of time to purchase all the material lah. So jom kita nanggah apa yang kita perlu untuk pola PC daripada komponen dan apa tools yang kita perlu lah, and then kita start lah pola. Let's go. Kita akan pasang a few things je dulu. Motherboard, processor, RAM, SSD. So untuk kita pun PC case tu ada banyak kurang lah. Tapi masalahnya nya pun radiator AIO nya saya pasang ke atas, sebabnya nang PC case tu nang not built into pasang AIO ke atas lah, yang cuma boleh pasang ke depan. Kita pasang power supply, connect semua kabel-kabel lah power supply dekat ya, kita masukkan dalam PC case tu, ada bah tu, and then connect apa yang patut lah ke motherboard tu, sebab lekat ya kami nak ngalih dak segala tiga kipas tu pergi ke atas tu, saya pergi sebelah tu, and then beri ruang untuk pasang radiator tu lah. PC dah siap, jadi kita tu tinggal nak on je. Wihu, okey. Everything is on. Nice, okay. The fan all working fine. Kipas semua on. GPU pun kipas pun on. Okay, ada LED, RAM meriah, lampu kaya, Okay, kipas depan 1, 2, 3 on. Overall, I think building your own PC is not that difficult. It's just that you need to really know what you're doing and really understand how to assemble everything, how to put everything together. Another thing to share here is that whatever that you're gonna buy to build a PC, it doesn't have to be expensive component. You know, you have to be smart about which brand or which part are you going to buy. Depends on your usage. If you're not confident of building your own PC, it's better that you go out and buy the bundle PC. You might not get all the part that you like or that that you prefer, but at least they build it for you in a ready, like everything is ready, everything is being tested already, and just send it to you. All you gotta do is plug your monitor, plug all your peripheral, and just use it. Nothing to worry about. Okay, I think that's about it for today's video. I hope whatever that I share today is useful for all of you. This is my first PC build. I think I did good for myself. I guess so. I did good for myself. As long as the PC is running, all good. For those of you who want to build your own PC, make sure that you understand and you are well aware that the risk that you're taking to build your own PC. If you don't know, or if you're afraid to don't want to take the risk, I would suggest you just buy a bundle PC. That's about it. Just plug and play. Buy a bundle PC or go to a PC store and tell them what kind of component that you want in your PC, and they quote you the price, and you just pay. They put everything together for you. You take back, plug into your monitor, to your keyboard, mouse, and just go ahead. Okay, that's all. Bye.